Welcome back to Papa's Home. Today we're at day 5. Oh, you hear that? That is plastic everywhere. Everything is coated. There's even like a nice path that comes out here, and the plumber's actually been taking wheelbarrows of dirt in and out all day long. This is kind of the first time that I'm really kind of looking at this. So before we had the plastic before, oh my gosh. Almost like a dog or animal could come up through there. Wow, that's crazy. So, if I were to guess, that's probably about 4 feet deep. If I pan over to the side right here, you can see the drain. That's that cast iron drain that I was talking about earlier. It looks like they've already removed the stack right here. And if you remember before, it was basically this giant, almost steel-looking pipe that goes all the way up through the attic, and that's where it's supposed to ventilate through. So, but yeah, it's good to see. Before the trench was maybe only dug up to here, the trench is now all the way up to the corner over there, which is super impressive. All the dirt that he got out as well. So, good progress there. So the plan tomorrow, I think they're going to cut the cast iron pipe, run ABS, go underground, and then on the other side, they're going to put out a clean out in the ground. That's so they can literally, if you get a clogged pipe, they can open it, run their machinery. So that's actually another value add, is that the clean out will now be outside of the house. If I need to get that procedure done in the future, nobody has to come inside, which is great. So trying to think what else. Oh, I've been thinking about new ideas for the design. I'm gonna step over here without hopefully falling in. Yeah. So what I'm kind of thinking is, if that's my shower head, there's not really a lot of room on either side, but maybe I can bring like this beam in a little bit, this one in a little bit as well. And I think I might be able to get rid of this third stud right here. I don't know what this second one is really doing either, but I'm hoping I can get enough space for a really low, so maybe down here all the way to maybe up here, shelving, and it'll be really narrow, so almost like about that wide once you actually get tile in there. And you might be able to get one shampoo bottle, one soap bottle, one of whatever. And then when you look at the rest of this wall, it's perfectly like snow white marble. You can see like the variation in the ground with kind of the cobblestones. And then on the back right here, this would also be snow white. But something I'm kind of thinking about, if the framer tells me it's not going to be super expensive, I want to put another shelf on this back wall. But this is where I kind of want to get a little bit crazy, kind of a modern design. I want to see if I can put in like a corner shelf. So it essentially would kind of start here at this beam, go all the way across, and it would just be one long continuous shelf. So I could put a lot more stuff up here. I think I'm actually thinking of maybe I put something kind of decorative, and then all the ugly, soap and shampoo bottles and stuff maybe can be kept up here in the front. And the reason is, as you walk into the shower, you'll be looking at something, very almost artistic right here and decorative. And unless you walk all the way in and turn around, that's the first time you're actually going to see soap bottles and dispensers and stuff. So, yeah, I think it'll actually be like a really nice design. I might be lucky if I can pull this off with the amount of space I have. And I'll be lucky if the framer doesn't want to charge me like $10,000 to do something fancy. So, but yeah, it's getting there. Tomorrow they'll put in the pipes, fill it with dirt, and then I'm going to treat the area for termites. Probably the next day, the plumber will come back and actually seal all of this stuff with concrete. That'll cure for a full day. And then that'll be Sunday. And then we get to Monday, which I think will be day 12. Oh man, this is all moving so both slow and also really fast. But that's when the framer's going to come out and do his thing. And hopefully, this design will work. I think I said in a previous episode, he said because of this beam that's up there, I can't do my corner to corner cutout anymore, which I think would have been would have looked better. But I think this is a good alternative given the situation. So that's pretty much it for the day. If you have any feedback, let me know. Thanks for stopping by.